Are you looking to create engaging forms, surveys, and quizzes that integrate seamlessly with your Wix site? The JotForm Embed app by Market Push Apps makes it easy to add interactive JotForms directly onto your pages, allowing you to collect leads, feedback, and insights without disrupting your website's flow. The app is available on the Wix App Market. You can find the install link in the video description below. Installing the app to your Wix site is easy. Go to the App Market and search for JotForm Embed. Click Add to Site. Once installed, add the widget via the Add Elements menu by dragging it to your desired location. To make the widget responsive on your desktop and mobile site, you'll need to stretch it to cover the full page. Next, we will need to click on the JotForm widget settings. If you already have a link to your form, simply paste it here and click Connect, and the widget will load it instantly. If you do not have the link to your form or have not created one yet, simply click here to be redirected to the JotForm site. You will need to either log in or sign up to access the dashboard where you can find your already created forms or create a new one that meets your business needs. To simply get the link for an existing form, click here, then click Publish, and then press Copy Link. Creating a new form is quick and easy. Simply go to Create and select Form. Then you will have multiple options. Let's choose to use a template. Select a template that suits your business needs. You can further customize the form. Let's add a phone number field. Once you've finished editing the form, simply publish it, and you can now copy the form link to be used in the widget. With just a few clicks, we have easily created a feedback form and added it to our site. Do not forget to save and publish after the form is loaded. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, or leave a comment. It helps immensely. And feel free to reach out if you need further assistance. Thank you for watching.